Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is today's energy. Today's energy is 10 of Wands. What this 10 of Wands tells me is you have been traumatized in your past relationships because of betrayal, and you lost hope in completely in all relationships. So you didn't want to think about all these hurtful past relationships. You don't want even to have a thought about all these bitterness. So you yourself went and tried to work more and became a workaholic in order to deviate from all these bitterness. Okay, so when it was at that time, you were like completely into work. You were so much focused and concentrated, and you got completely into the bottom line of the work. You could spend hours together in work because you wanted a diversion. Okay, but now it has been so much of time passed, and now you feel as if you are doing this overwork. No, too much of you yourself loading yourself in work. You are feeling as if it's a burden for you. Now you want to come out of this burden, but you do not know how to come out of it. Now you are feeling this work itself is as a trap. This work is completely trapping you, and you are not even having time to spend with yourselves. Now you want to have that me time, and now you are completely healed from those past wounds. You are not even thinking about that past wounds. You want to think about the future. You want to shape your future. You want to sit and think. You want to have that me time for you. Now we are feeling very burdened. I'm not even getting time for myself, 5 minutes also, to spend peacefully with myself. So now you are feeling burdened. Now we are thinking how to create that time for myself. Okay, so when you are thinking how to create, first you want to put this burden down, and you want to become free. And after becoming free, you want to spend time with yourselves, and you actually want to know, what do I actually want? What gives me happiness? What gives me peace of mind? And you want to go for that. You want to make that in come to reality, and you want to experience and enjoy in your life. So you're thinking about how to go towards that. Okay, so now this today's energy is all about you realizing your burden and letting go of your burden, you shaping your future, and thinking whatever you are shaping, whatever you are thinking, how to make that come into reality and live that in reality. Okay, so this is going to be a today's energy. Let us meet in tomorrow's energy. Until then, bye.